If you work in real estate, residential or commercial, broker, agent, or lender, and the current market is killing you, if you need to make twice as much money as you do right now to really enjoy your life, you've only got 3 options. Option number 1, you can continue to work your butt off, hoping that overnight the market suddenly goes back to what it was 2 years ago. It won't. So that you start taking home double the money while doing things the exact same way you're doing them right now. That's highly unlikely. Or option number 2, you could give up on your dreams and the career you've put so much time and energy into and start over back at zero in a totally different industry with a 9-to-5 job. Or option number 3, you could click the button here and get instant access to a simple, straightforward sales process that will help you take home twice as much money as you do right now as a broker, lender, or agent, while putting in far less effort than you do today, all without needing rates to fall back down to what they were before in order for you to be successful. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you click the button here, you're gonna see how our interactive sales coaching portal and live sales coaching with me twice a week will help you double your income within 60 days. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than live coaching with me twice a week. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the button. I'll see you on the other side. Your career in real estate and your life are about to get a lot better. Click the button now.